beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic now about that Jesus again for the update of the money way Odumje be give e papa today when he say he don't forgive Ada. So mama can finally come out now. Mama Ada Jesus na come dey talk now. I go put the video more na see am. She say she no want the money. No. It say not be the money na im they want, my darling people. He say because she use Igbo take talk, can't use English. So make I just tell una small before I go put the video, my darling people, because you know that time we be say they carry Ada go in church, say make he forgive am. He say no, say he no dey forgive. So the thing really touched everybody. Everybody really vex, people quarrel, say why this man go behave like this as a man of God, even native daughter forgive. He say no. So because of that one, people really vex for the man. People really quarrel. So now Odumje now can finally say he don't forgive him. He can't give a papa 1 million. So now mama Ada now say that money, he said they don't need them. He said they don't need them because this same man, and they say make you forgive their pikin, you not good forgive them. He said they not come there because of the money. They only come, make they tell and say make you forgive their pikin, you not great forgive. So now he just can't wake up one morning and say end of forgive them because they give them money. It's not because of money now make them come to church. Now just make you forgive their pikin. So the way it be now, they don't need that money. So my darling people, I go put the video more now listing. He said make Odumje bring the account number, make they send the money back to them. Say they don't need the money, they okay, and people really donate well for that Jesus that time. He said they don't need the evil money. So my darling people, I will put the video now. I'm gonna watch. Thank you for watching. Bye.
This is the mother of Ada Jesus, Mesoma. Mama, please, can you just greet them? Yeah, and this is also the family member, a wife of this is her mother, her daughter-in-law, a wife of one of her son, and if you can see there again, excuse me, yeah, this is also the family member. So we are here to thank every one of you. And the woman said, please, he would like to greet every one of us. Mama, please, over to you so you can.
Yeah. All over the world. About that Jesus. Ana mekele onye obuna. Na mbụ, ana mekele chicha pastor Kinsile Okumonso. In short, ike ogum sisi yini na jini agari. Efari na mbo wanine, efari na internet. Onye mo ni okwu. Mana oka pastor si all the way from Lagos since morning. Bieba. Ya me njichi okwu. Ana mekele ndị niile. Ana mekele the whole Nigerians, all nọ na mba ụwa niile. Ndị na-agba mbọ in one way or the other. Ine fada ma ndị na-ekpere ya ekpere. Mmadụ dịka Chimax and the Harrison na Igbo love themselves. Unu nwaka na ndị dị iche iche dị ịga ihe bada. In short, I couldn't believe my ears. I couldn't believe what I'm seeing on internet. I got through internet now watching ile ma ndị na-ekwu mma ma ndị na-ekwu njọ. Ekele m unu, Chineke gozie unu niile. Ọkwanye ebe a kita na-ayọ on behalf of Ada, because achọbụ m ikwu okwu since ike gwụrụ m short of words. Na-asị ndị niile Ada kparịrị ma nwoke ma nwaanyị ma pastor ma native doctor, na-asị unu biko gbaghara. I'm very sorry. Ihe niile ọ na-eme mmụọ Ada amụ ihe ọ na-eme, sometimes nkọchọ na ọbawara m mba. I'm very sorry to everybody who mere insult in one way or the other. So we bring another one. Nchọrọ ikwu bụ biko asị m unu nyere m aka kelere mmadụ dịka Chimas, mmadụ dịka Harrison, mmadụ dịka Igbo Love Themselves, Nze Matias something, the founder of Igbo Love Themselves. Ọ bụ ndị pụtachara in full force, both financial, in any way. Ma ụmụ the pastors dị iche iche, especially this pastor here, Pastor Okumonso, see all the way from Lagos River today. Onye wee njikọ okwu, achọrọ m ikwu okwu, ike okwu adị m ike, ụmụ ihe ya eme mmiri tojuo awọ n'ọnụ, ọmanye ya ọnụ ikwu okwu. So o wee bụrụ ya coming to the ndị di m je yọọ ndị di m jere jee yọọ ayụyọ, ma ndị nabatara no, ma ndị mechara klaasị wee kwete, ana m asị unu ekele, ana m ekelekwa unu ncha. So ihe ọzọ m na-ekwu n'ime na-ewe m iwe bụ the money a na-eweta, like nke Chimarin weta di m nara, my children they against it. It's not the issue. The issue bụ our happiness with the man who si wee nabata the apology, or those wee forgive father what we want, the money. Amazi m di m yọta onye ọbụla na-eme uche ya, ọ bụ na n'uche aka m nkarịsịa ka ọ gara ịtụrọpụra the money, anyị bara ya mba. So no can happen the money because it's not our reason of going, because it's not the main purpose of going there. No, ya mgbara utadasi we barrier. So nke kwere onye nke kwere pastor what Odu what Chukwemeka ahụ na-emere something. So ogakwana na ya mgbara for the koje yo okwero. But this second one can na-ekwuzi okwu ya. O mechazi nabatazi ayo ya. Fine, I can name ya Chukwu gozie ya. But the thing is that ego ahụ nara is never our problem, it's never the issue. The issue my own ebo mecha class we may accept the forgiveness, the money, please. I and my children, we don't need that money. Please, anybody nwere ike ifu ebe ọnọta gị ya say please, I my children need the account number. I chọrọ account number ya ka o send ya ka anyị refund ya back biko. We don't need the money. Ekele me otosi we nabata ayo at last. So now sikwa mmadụ dịkwa ka Rite Dochia, I'm very sorry. Mkparị adakparị ya, otosi emekwa at last nabatakwa ayo ya forgive kwe ekelekwara m ya. So ya ka m na-esikwa anụkwa ebe na-asị ndị niile one word the other na-agba mbọ isi na ada mmanwụ through prayer or order. Ana m asị Chineke goziere m unu ncha niile, Chineke kwụghachi unu ụgwụ one by one, ma ndị na-ewepụtasị ego iwe wọd, ma ndị dịkwa ịgatụ iwepụta, ana m asị ike agwụkwala unu, asị mmadụ bụ chi bịa. So ekele m unu. So what I'm saying in fact wụ ndị dị out iweta ego nọ, we are not forcing any church member or anybody iweta ego. When ndị volunteer when iwepụta ego the money already for speech iwepụta ego ya ọra adadebe ọbọ na even ebe a nọ kịta na mara m ebe ada nọ, because Chimark and Harrison na Igbo Love Themselves ya kpọrọ gada. If it's not short, it's like just naira me by force. Say gịnị na-eme anyị achọrọ ka ada nwa, but na mgbe gba effort anyị niile ha kpada nwa ama ebe ada nọ. Ana m ekelekwa Chineke gozie aka iwe efu. So even enwere ike hafụ na nwere onye si n'akụkụ na-ewetezi ego somehow like in case from church na-eweta ma pastor weta ego. I don't know how they see it, please. So onye nwere ike ịta gị Chukwuemeka or na-emere Odu what biko nya tag ya send their account number ya. My children very very annoyed. We want to refund the money. I my particular I don't need this. What I need from him, that forgiveness. Woman I said simple.
Okay. Thank you everyone. God bless you. God bless you.
Excuse me, please.
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay.
Nekenekwa mmadụ dịkwa ka their village chief or village king mbụ gbakwa isokwe yọbakwu ya o wee kwetezi at last. Ana m ekelekwa ya Chukwu gozie onye fụ ya kenene m ya buru ikpe ekene bujere mesia musi ya onye nwe gozie ya gozie ezinụlọ ya n'aha Jesus.
All right. Mama, God bless you. Before I conclude this meeting or this video, I want to ask one question. From all indication, you people told me, because I never saw the video even up to this moment, where your husband went to, what's the name of that church? Okay, God's intervention. That is Pastor Chukwuemeka. So today it will be on air that he went there, and after everything, The man of God gave the man 1 million naira. And from all indication, please, can you tell the world exactly what happened? Did the husband went back there to apologize, or what happened?
Is that their village for village kindred of Odumje or what?
Yeah.
Say Odumje say Abia. You have to go for Jezienu. So we say ya na batago ayu ya on the process of let's go it's not what they went for.
All right, thank you, God bless you. Okay, viewers all over the world, God bless you. I will keep on appreciating God. Number one, I am astonished for what I saw in this house this day, because I was expecting to see one kind old house, as being stated in the media that the young lady that Jesus came from poor wretched family, but I never knew that the family has mansions here in Onitsha and a very big magnificent house. This is how many story building, man? 4-story building. Now is wonderful. I really appreciate God. This is new house. So bikono ka iji no wayo na ekwu okwu maka sanye mmono onye bụ onye onwa bịara onye odikasi na nke ya aguna odikasi na nke ya aguna. Nobody is praying for temptation to come, and when temptation come to somebody, please be mindful of what you say. Secondly, to those of us that are not hearing Igbo language, what the woman was trying to say is that to thank every one of you that have been praying for that Jesus, that have been praying for the family, that have been supporting every movement concerning her daughter. And he appreciated so many people that have volunteered themselves to help financially. He called themselves, Igbo love themselves. What again?
Yeah,
Chimax and Harrison. These are the set of people, good Nigerian citizens that have hijacked her from her. Even where she is right now, she doesn't know. So for you to know, and from all indication, our prayers are working indeed, because the girl is responding to treatment, because people have taken over the case. And by God's grace, we keep on praying, we keep on believing God. One thing is sure, man is not God. God is God, and what God cannot do never exists. Again, I came here to just have a meeting with the family once again, even though we have been communicating. I've been praying for my daughter Ada. I don't know her for Adam, if not this thing. And I said, no, I want to have meeting, one-on-one meeting, because so many people have showed concern. They want me to know what is happening and give them feedback, both international and the local here. Every part of the world have been calling on phone. They want to know about the outcome of the sister. And today I'm here to tell them that I am with the families. Very soon I will also upload the picture of the father. I've also discussed with him, and he also salutes every one of you for your encouragement. Lastly, today about the video they said that is on air, how the father went to